Multitasking focuses on either carrying out different tasks without having to complete them simultaneously, such as the role of administrative assistant in an office, or completing tasks simultaneously, such as drawing a circle with one hand and a straight line with the left hand. Determining multitasking efficiency requires the examination functioning, or the ability to maintain and update multiple task goals, which is measured by testing the frequency at which the working memory updates. Multitasking efficiency also requires coordinating spatial relations, with the relevant tests involving the evaluation of mental rotation skills. Generally, women are thought to be better than men at specific components of multitasking. While men and women perform common tasks at similar speeds and accuracy, men slow down when tasks are mixed compared to women. When looking at actual multitasking that requires mental rotation skills and constant memory up, better than women when multitasking because of their spatial abilities. These visual spatial abilities are associated with masculinity, especially exposure to amniotic androgen and bursts of testosterone throughout the various stages of fetal development.